What's up, YouTube? I am heading out to go pick up another Mako boat to join this one. So, got about a 2-hour drive to the west coast of Florida. The Mako himself. What's up, Bubba? Come on, get in your seat. The boat in the back, I don't know if you can see it. Heading home. Good morning, folks. It's the next day. Got some sunlight. Did some looking over the boat, and yeah, it's a little bit more than I thought it was gonna be. But looks like we're tearing out the floors and transom and redoing it all with Kuso board. So this should be good. As you can tell, I'll show you. Looking down at the hatch here, where the gas tank's supposed to be. You know, I got some delamination kind of going on right here and here. I mean, these stringers solid, but I'm a perfectionist. So it looks like the last person just put some regular 2x4s. Look at this, 2x4s. Those don't look too pleasing either, but as you can tell, the stringers are solid, but like the fiberglass is kind of delaminating a little bit. Let's see here, the foam, it's pretty solid foam. Oh, but look here. Okay, we got a cracked stringer. Look at that. Yeah, I'm tearing the floors out of this, gutting it and redoing it all with Kuso board. Oh, look at this man. What you doing, boy? Mako, what you doing? So yeah, a little bit more than I was expecting, but this should be fun. I always wanted to do a project like this, so looking forward to it. But got a lot of work on my hands, but this is the fun part, right? But yeah, you can see down here, this stringer's solid, but this is the center console I got too for it. It's definitely gonna need some work, but yeah. It also came with a plastic gas tank, which I'm pretty pleased about. I am totally into these plastic gas tanks rather than metal. So yeah, what did you think about the boat, bro? Oh, okay. So yeah, a little bit more than I expected to get myself into. Looks like we're gonna do floor, transom, and stringers, all Kuso board. So yeah, like and subscribe. We are going to start this project here real soon. In the next couple weeks, you'll see another video out on it. So I'm gonna keep doing more and more videos on this boat when I do this project. So like and subscribe. It's gonna be a good project. Be fun.